For companies committed to systematizing and scaling effectively, understanding human wiring is a game changer. Human wiring refers to the inherent ways in which an individual processes information, makes decisions, and interacts with their environment. And by leveraging insights into human wiring, leaders can create systems that align with their team's natural wiring, leading to enhanced productivity and successful scaling. See, human wiring is rooted in psychology and neuroscience, emphasizing individual patterns. And these patterns influence how people approach tasks, how they solve problems, and how they communicate. For example, some individuals are naturally detail-oriented and they thrive in structured environments where they can get training, while others excel in creative, unstructured settings. Effective systemization involves creating repeatable processes that streamline operations and reduce inefficiencies. And when these systems are designed with human wiring in mind, they're easier for employees to adopt. So here's how understanding human wiring can enhance your systemization. Customized project planning. See, when implementing a project, match the strengths of your team members with certain parts of a project plan. For instance, bring in your analytical individuals to manage data-driven tasks while tapping into the creative thinkers to handle brainstorming sessions. Improved communication. Recognize and utilize different communication styles. Visual thinkers may benefit from diagrams and flowcharts. Others might prefer written instructions. Enhanced engagement. Systems that align with natural wiring increase employee satisfaction and engagement. Why? Because tasks feel more natural and less forced. Scaling a business involves expanding operations without compromising quality and efficiency. Insights into human wiring, that can facilitate all of that by ensuring that the scaling process considers the human element. For more information, check out the link below. I'm Lisa Menini, and until next week, create a great life.